Hey, 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 hey! Are you drinking the best water possible?
Have you heard about ionized water?
So, ionized water is a technology that comes from Japan. It's been around since the 1950s, and it produces this water called Kangen water. And the water has three special properties. It's antioxidant, so it's full of charge. It's alkalizing, and it's structured in a way where it's actually more absorbable than regular water. Now, today, I'm going to show you a couple of those properties. So we're going to start right now.
Let's see them.
The first property we're going to talk about is the pH. Okay.
Now, as you can see here, I have the pH chart. From dark green to dark red is neutral to acidic, and as you know, acidic contributes to sickness. And from blue here to beyond is alkaline, and as you know, alkaline contributes to healthiness.
So that's amazing, because most people now are aware that an alkaline environment is for optimal health.
Yeah.
So let's see. So what we have here, we have some different waters, some different liquids. So what I have here are pH drops that match here. So anybody who has a pool knows what these are, because this is how we regulate the pH of our pools. So right now we're gonna check the pH of these waters. So what we have here is Aquafina, and this one here represents bottled waters and purified waters. Okay, what we have here, carbonated water. Okay, for all my carbonated friends. And by the way, I used to love drinking this water. Okay, now here as well, we got sports drinks. We're told are really good for you and full of electrolytes. Soda, I don't have to talk much about this, but we're going to use it for demonstration purposes anyway. Okay. And then here we have, really tight, Kangen water. Okay. Wow.
That
Okay.
one really absorbed it quickly.
Yeah. What do you have here? Acid or alkaline?
Oh, I think it's 5.
4.5, 5.
That's normal water.
Yeah, this is bottled water. You got carbonated water. Now, carbonated water, I don't want to gripe too much about it, but we breathe in oxygen. What do we breathe out? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. What do you think they use to carbonate the water? Yeah.
Carbon dioxide,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so we're putting a waste product back into our body. Sports drinks, full of sugar, making it highly acidic. And of course, we got pop. We don't need to talk much about that. You know, slightly above battery acid.
Yeah.
And now we have right here, beautiful 9.5 pH alkalizing water. And this is what you want to be drinking. Now, I'm going to show you for illustration purposes, whether it's diet, environment, stress, our body, we put acid in our body. So our body has to regulate itself because we have to be slightly neutral all the time. So before, my body, if I had a stressful day at work or if I was stuck in traffic, my body would actually have to regulate itself. Now, what I do, if I'm having one of those days, like we all do, add a little bit of Kangen water, and boom.
Wow.
I start changing my body's chemistry right away. So this is why this is critical, okay? So that's the first property we're going to talk about today. Now, the second property I'm going to show you is actually the structure of the water, okay? I'm going to move this out of the way. Now, what we have here are 2 tea bags. And what do you normally do to make tea?
I put the tea bags in hot water and boom, the tea's done.
Tea is done. So we have to boil the water, A, because A, we like to drink hot water, hot tea, but B, you need to give the water energy so it penetrates the tea to extract the tea. So what we're going to try here for this experiment was we're going to make tea with cold water.
Like iced tea?
No, yeah, almost. So we have here 2 waters. Can you just confirm that they're both room temperature or below?
I mean, it feels normal.
Yeah, okay. So we're going to open the tea bag. And first, we're going to make So you're gonna help me out here? Okay,
Yeah, sure,
excellent,
why not?
excellent. Here, you want to pour that in for me. So that's good there. As you can see, not much is happening. So we're gonna leave that bad boy in there. Now we got another tea bag here. Okay, go ahead, pour that. Oh, hold on. Go ahead, pour that in. Okay, and right away, you got tea. Now this guy here, we can play with it and play with it and play with it. And then right here, we steep tea instantly. And why this is important is the water is 5 times more absorbable. Just picture this. Water molecules are in larger clusters. So if you grab a handful of rocks, okay, and you throw it through a chain link fence, some of the rocks are going to go through and some are going to hit the fence. Okay? But now, if you grab a handful of sand and you throw it through that same chain link fence, most of the sand is going to go through. That's showing how this water gets absorbed. And for all you athletes out there that don't like to drink because while you're playing because your stomach feels swishy because you're bloated from drinking the water, this water just goes right through you. So it's awesome. So yeah, so those are the properties we're going to talk about.
Wow, that's amazing. And Dan, it was, thank you so much for showing us all the properties.
Yeah.
And if you want more information about this, you can message us on the below number and you can message, I need the right water. Thank you so much.
I need the right water.
I need the right water.
Are you sure it's not I need the best water?
Well,
Well, you know what? Well, you choose. I need the right water or I need the best water.
Yeah,
you can choose
that's
that.
you.
Yeah.
And you can also find the number above in the description.